Fast food has gained a notorious reputation for being unhealthy and contributing to weight gain. However, did you know that by understanding the macronutrients in fast food, you can make smarter choices and still achieve your weight loss goals? In this video, we will explore the macronutrients found in popular fast food items and how they can impact your weight loss journey. Let's start by looking at the role of carbohydrates in fast food. Carbohydrates provide energy, but not all carbs are created equal. Some fast food items may contain refined carbohydrates which are quickly digested and can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels and cravings. By opting for whole grain options or reducing portion sizes, you can still enjoy your favorite fast food while managing your carbohydrate intake. Protein is an important macronutrient for weight loss, as it helps to keep you feeling full and satisfied. When choosing fast food, consider options that are higher in lean protein, such as grilled chicken or turkey burgers instead of fried options. Adding protein-rich toppings like eggs or beans can also enhance the nutritional value of your fast food meal. Fats are often demonized, but they are crucial for various bodily functions. However, it's important to make healthier fat choices when consuming fast food. Opt for items that are cooked in healthier oils like olive oil, and avoid deep-fried or heavily processed options. Remember, moderation is key when it comes to fats, even when trying to lose weight. Understanding the macronutrients in fast food is essential for successful weight loss. By being aware of the carbohydrates, protein, and fats found in your favorite fast food items, you can make better choices to support your goals. Remember, balance and moderation are key factors in achieving a healthy and sustainable weight loss journey.